In this tutorial, we will learn how to buy Toncoin using TonKeeper Wallet in just a few simple steps. Open your TonKeeper Wallet and you will see a dashboard with various options. From the wallet dashboard, click on the buy and sell option. A new window will open showing buy and sell at the top. Make sure to switch to the buy option. Here, you will see several platforms to buy Toncoin such as MoonPay and Transact. If you don't find what you are looking for, click on Show All to see more buying options. Select Transact as your preferred payment method to buy Toncoin. Transact allows you to buy Toncoin using a card or bank transfer. Now, you will be taken to a new window where you can choose your currency. For example, select USD if you are paying in US dollars. Enter the amount you want to spend. For example, if you type 300 USD, it will show you the amount of Toncoin you'll receive. That is 54.22 Ton. The platform also shows the available payment method like card, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Click on Buy Now. Confirm your details, and after completing the process, your Toncoin will be successfully added to your TonKeeper Wallet. And that's how you can easily buy Toncoin using TonKeeper Wallet.